we have our water measured out already, 227 grams, about a cup of water. And now we're trying to get our all-purpose flour, or in this case, like I said, it's our gala head, and we want 149 grams of that. So it's totally worth using an electronic scale for this, as opposed to trying to do it in cups, ounces, things like that. We'll try to do it in mass instead. We'll zero that out, and we're looking for 149. We'll add it to our bowl. At this point, I'm going to add our half teaspoon of active yeast. Just sprinkle it over, and I'm going to stir that in to get it evenly distributed before we add our water. And then let's also grind our whole wheat. When you get whole wheat flour in a bag, it has kind of removed things that spoil kind of quickly. So you've removed, so there's kind of three parts to that. There's the bran, there's the germ, which will turn into a wheat plant, and then there's the endosperm. So they remove some of those things because the oils in them go rancid kind of quickly. But if you're going to use it right away, there's nothing like the flavor of fresh ground. Right, so we're just gonna, I've got close to measured out what I think we need here. In theory, we need 28 grams, so I have 28 grams of the wheat berries. My experience is when I'm done grinding this, we have less than that, and I think it's because the little powder sticks to the edge of the grinder. All right, so here we go. I don't know if you can see that. Very pretty. I'm right there. Right, so we're going to add that to our gala head flour. You can add other things for that second flour. If you want to use spelt, you can. If you want to use rye, you can. Each of those kind of changes the flavor a little bit. I think you can experiment with it. For humor's sake, we're going to go ahead and use that regular, the whole wheat. All right, so we have our two flours and our yeast mixed here. Now we're just going to pour in our water and mix it really nicely together. Get it very nicely incorporated. There's no kneading at this step. You're just mixing this, and you're going to let this poolish, that's P-O-O-L-I-S-H, or this starter, do its thing. That's it. We're going to cover it and we're going to let it rest for at least 1 hour. Okay? See you in about an hour.